Listen.
Hi everyone, how are you? Where's my partner? Whoa,
Here I am.
there you are.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. Well, this is something special today.
Are you ready?
Because today's Wednesday.
Right
You ready for it? For our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Yeah. All right. I'm Corey, and you're watching Cows or Girls Adventures. And this is my partner.
Hold on.
Jeff, do you have a name? All right. So anyway, this is a mini soupy pork dumpling. Interesting, isn't it? It's called soupy. Yes, there is liquid inside of this, and then pork and other ingredients and stuff like that. And we also have something new. Yeah, we are going to do a star rating. Star.
Yeah.
All right, 1 star is going to be all the way up to a 5-star. Yummy! Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah. It's going to be good. And you guys, if you go out and try this soupy dumpling, you can get it in the Asian market. If you try it, go in the comments and rate it yourself. Tell me what you think. I liked it. You know, give me a 1-star or 2-star or all the way up to a 5-star. Well, anyway, that's enough of that. You ready to try it? Yeah. All right, let's go show you guys how we're gonna cook this. We gotta steam them, and you steam them for 10 minutes, and I'll show you everything. But
Cool.
Look, ready?
Yeah.
This is what they look like. Hi, Daisy. Before you steam them, they're frozen-ish. All right, well, let's go. Yeah. Hi. Okay, now we are here. We're going to take the dumplings and we're going to steam them. And you're going to steam them for 20 minutes. So, I know, it's a big pot. It's a big pot. I know, it seems huge for these little tiny itty bitty dumplings, but trust me, that big old surface, I can get more in there. And you're going to want some parchment paper or wax paper or whatever this stuff is, cut in small cubes. And we got some water going in here. So you just want the hot water. You guys know how to steam them. Just steam them. You know what to do. But this is the thing, is you're going to want to take and carefully just put it on the bottom. And you're going to put them in here and steam them. Yay! So that's what we're going to do. All right, you guys. Well, when they're done, we're going to be back and we're going to try them for you. Okay. All right, you guys. So I got them going here. Come here. Look at this. Check this out. Ooh. And correction, not 20 minutes, 10 minutes. So let's get going. 10 minutes, guys. We're going to steam them. And we'll be back in about 10 minutes when we enjoy them for you. Daisy! 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 Oh, yes! Oh, yes, you are! No, you can't have these. No, 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 no. They're not cooked. Maybe I'll sneak one to you when it's cooked. Alright, you guys. So, a dipping sauce that we like to use while we're waiting for the yumminess to steam is just this combination of stuff. Okay. I was strong enough to open it. Good. So, I don't know. What you got to do all this by taste, however you like it. We're just going to do a little bit here. We don't want it overpowering. That's that. Woo! A little bit of chili. You want just a little bit?
Yeah. Oh wait, tell us what that is.
That's apple cider vinegar.
Ooh.
And I like mine a little bit more. And then soy sauce. This is a chili garlic sauce. You can also get at the Asian market. And this is the type of soy sauce that we like to use. We've been using it for many, many years. And apple cider vinegar, organic. It's really good, pretty strong. I like the combination. There is a sauce that is in when you in a restaurant with the dim sum. It's like I think it's a rice vinegar or something like that. I do like it a little bit better than this combination, but this combination does for well at home. Oh, timer went off. Let's go check them out. Timer's off. And they will poof up a little bit. That's what you're looking for. Oh, yeah. Oh, yumminess right there, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, you guys, let's get them out of here. And that's hot. Let's go try them for you. Okay. Alrighty. Well, we're gonna let them come out of here and cool down for a minute, and we'll be back, and we will give them a try and tell you how they taste. Whoa! Whoa! All right, guys. All right. Well, they're done steaming, and they've sat a few minutes to cool down. Now we're gonna get them out and put them on the plate, and we're gonna go in the room and try them. These are gonna be so yummy, you guys. I know you're just gonna enjoy these. I hope you give them a try, because they're gonna be yummy. 2, 3, 4, 5. You want some? Guess what? 5. All right, cool. All right, let's go in the room and try them, you guys. Let's try them, look. You dip it here. Cheers your partner. Cheers. Cheers. And you take a great big humongous bite. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Finger looking good.
They are finger looking good. Mmm. Mmm. Be very careful. There is liquid in there. That's why they're called soupy dumplings. And they are extremely delicious. What do you think?
I think they're really good.
That's all you gotta say.
Yeah. They're I like the texture of the skin and like the taste of the pork.
Yep,
Yeah.
that is good. So anyway, they kind of poof up when you cook them a little bit. But yeah, it has a nice, good texture. It's like, I would say like a rice flour. Rice flour skin. There's like a little pork meatball in there. And surrounded all by some nice, yummy, like a juice.
Yeah.
What I believe it is, like they cooked the pork in the pork balls in the juice, and then everything is just all combined in the little round dumpling style kind of thing.
Yeah, let's try it without the sauce.
Without the sauce. All right. But anyway.
Cheers.
Cheers. Full bite, guys, because there's juice in there. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
I still like them even without the sauce. It's
Mhm.
nice.
Yeah. Excuse me. They are really good. It's a nice pork flavor. I can taste a little bit of garlic in there. I don't know if I'm right, but I don't know. Whatever. And just a nice little amount of juice actually in there. Man, these are delicious. My star rating for these are a 4.5, you guys. These are delicious. They're like a 4.5 to a half. Almost a 5. 4.5. I recommend.
My star rating is also 4.5. It's nice.
They are really good, huh?
Yeah.
We've had these in the past, but we just really wanted to share these with you.
Don't forget to take off the paper.
Yeah, don't forget the little wax parchment paper. I think this is.
Oh.
When you when you steam them, make sure you put the little parchment paper on the bottom. I'm not sure if I said that earlier. I think I might have. And then before you eat them, take the parchment paper off. But man. Okay. And then this sauce again is apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, and a garlic chili sauce. And I know I showed you all that. You gotta flavor it how you want it. You want it more spicy, you add more chili. You want it a little bit of like, I don't know, apple cider vinegar, like vinegary. You add vinegary, is that a word? Sure. You add more vinegar, however you want it. There's no particular way, but that's the sauce that we made and everything. And Yep. Alright, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You made a mess. Typical boy.
Yeah, who cares?
Well, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there below. Come on, you guys. You gotta make it red. You gotta subscribe so I can keep putting these videos out because we're enjoying them.
Yeah.
We're enjoying them. So, alright, you guys. Well, that is it for our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. Woo! Bye, you guys. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.
Daisy wants some!